Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make turkey sage Danish. We'll begin by gathering our ingredients, including 1 sheet of puff pastry, 1/2 cup of cooked turkey, and a few key spices. This recipe is perfect for a delightful breakfast, brunch, or even a savory appetizer. You'll be amazed at how easily you can create these delicious pastries right in your own kitchen, bringing a touch of gourmet to your table. Let's start with our flavorful turkey sage filling. First, brown about 1/2 cup of ground turkey sausage in a skillet until it's fully cooked. In a separate saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter, then whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a roux. Gradually pour in 1 cup of whole milk, stirring continuously until the mixture thickens into a creamy bechamel sauce. Finally, season this rich sauce with about 1/2 teaspoon of dried sage, along with salt and pepper to taste, then combine with the turkey. Now let's assemble these delightful pastries. Take 1 thawed sheet of puff pastry and carefully unroll it, then cut it into 8 equal squares, each measuring about 4 by 4 inches. Place a generous spoonful, roughly 1 to 2 tablespoons, of your turkey sage filling into the center of each pastry square. Next, gently fold 2 opposite corners of the pastry over the filling, bringing them together in the middle. Pinch the edges firmly to seal the Danish, ensuring the delicious filling stays securely inside during baking. For the grand finale, it's time to bake our Danishes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Before baking, lightly brush the tops of each assembled pastry with an egg wash. This will give them a beautiful, golden brown sheen. Bake the Danishes for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are wonderfully puffed and golden. Once baked, transfer them to a wire rack to cool slightly. Serve these savory turkey sage Danishes warm for a truly irresistible treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.